We're on East Grand Lake. The place is inexpensive because you're one row back from the shore with a right-of-way to use this top 8 largest lakes in Maine. The lot is over 400 feet deep on one side. Like I said, you're one row back from the lake. With a right-of-way to the water, plus the Greenland Cove boat launch not far away, this is the best of both worlds, and it makes it affordable. Welcome to 135 Sandy Beach. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for tuning in to the Maine Real Estate Channel, for listening to this video about a Grand Lake property. There's a drilled well, a full septic, there's even an outhouse out back, because sometimes you're up here in the winter when the plumbing's drained. 3 bedrooms and a big, deep lot to park your guests and friends, to put their motorhomes. There's also an open side porch, a front enclosed porch. There's a metal roof to shed snow to protect you from the rain. If it is raining, you can still grill on this open front deck entry and have nightly talks. Put the excess people out here on the front porch with sleeping bags. It can expand if you have a big crowd drop in to visit. The place comes basically furnished. It's a vacation home. Gas stove, refrigerator, there's even a freezer and a washer dryer. Here's another angle on the kitchen that extends into dining. There's a gas heater, there's a wood stove that has ceramic behind it and underneath it. Spend summer living out here on the porch that has insulated windows and that could be finished off a little more. The living room is finished in knotty pine. There's another gas heater. You're not just going to use this summers when it's hot. You're going to use it during fall hunting trips, winter snow sled excursions. There's satellite television when you want to watch a movie or some news event happens while you're up to camp. There are 3 bedrooms, a laundry room, a full bath with glass shower. I don't have to tell you what this room is, but to many, it's the most important room in the entire home because it's more civilized when you can take a shower and feel clean. The master bedroom has a double closet. There's lots of storage. Yep, there's a laundry room. Bedroom number 2. That's the expansion tank for that drilled well in the corner. Bedroom number 3 with vinyl tilt-in windows so you can have a breeze in addition to that ceiling fan that helps out. That's 135 Sandy Beach Road with a storage area for your toys. Plenty of room for your guests. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thanks for watching and listening to the Maine Real Estate Channel.